Lean management, which has proved successful both in manufacturing and business processes, can also be applied in the home. We will consider waste in terms of time and money. Excess food is a waste of money. Some may be discarded. Tool clutter is a waste both of time, looking for a tool, and money, unnecessary tools. Unnecessary movement is a waste of time. These are some of the problems we want to solve. We have run out of milk. Expired food at the bottom of the freezer. I have bought tomato cans, and it turns out that I already had 8 cans in different cabinets, several expired. Mismatched socks at the bottom of the laundry basket. Gadgets in a Zulo that I have never used. Cupboards crammed with useless things. I'm always looking for things. Failing appliances. Consumerism is defined as the desire to possess things that are not important or necessary. That is, to consume for the sake of consuming. Consumption is the action of consuming or spending either on products, goods, or services, while consumerism refers to the accumulation, purchase, or consumption of goods and products considered non-essential. These are some causes for excessive purchasing. Social pressure plus easy financing. Custom of giving presents to everyone on any occasion. Going shopping. Indiscriminate sales purchase. Use and discard rather than repair. Invasive advertising. Pressure from companies to create unnecessary demand. Lack of cupboards control. These are some order and maintenance solutions. Eliminate the unnecessary. Better yet, don't buy it. Throw away what has expired or that we are not going to use. Give it away or sell it. One place for everything and everything in its place. Easy to find, easy to return to its place, easy to see if we need to buy. Clean on the fly what we just stained. Fix what goes wrong before it gets worse. Plan servicing of appliances on time. These are some advertising fallacies. The more you buy, the more you save. Do you want to pay 30% less for electricity? Enjoy now and pay later. Do we really believe these things? Sales could be an opportunity or a waste. Buying the unnecessary is never a saving. Even if it is cheap, it is a waste. The unnecessary takes the space of the necessary. Buying the economy lot could look like a saving, but how long will it last? Is it going to spoil? Is it really a saving? This is an advice for sales. Go with a shopping list and stick to it. In general, delaying purchases is a saving. Advancing purchases is a waste. The Wallapop motto: if you don't use it, upload it. This could be a justification to buy what you don't need. I buy, and if I don't use it, I can always sell it through Wallapop. So what's the problem? I buy for 200 and sell for 20. Donating used clothes is a good idea, but not an excuse for excessive unnecessary buying. One place for everything. Where is what I'm looking for? What should I buy? Where to put what I just brought? This looks better. Everything in its place. Easy to find, easy to return to its place, easy to see if it's missing, in perfect condition of use. I left home without my keys. Have one single place to put your keys the moment you arrive home. Keep the house door always locked, even when you're in. If it is not locked, anybody can open it with a piece of plastic. If a burglar breaks in when you're in, you are at risk. You will need your key to get out, so you will not forget it. Have an emergency key with a string close to the door. I can't fit anything anymore. Store to continue shopping. It's not the price of the wardrobe. It's everything we'll buy to fill it. Hiding places, such as high shelves of cabinets. Check from time to time. Storage room. You may never use its contents again. You can build a shopping list on a post-it on the fridge, or you can share a Google Calendar in Google Drive among the family members so that they can add to the list with their smartphones from anywhere. The person doing the shopping can just use his smartphone. FIFO. The first thing in is the first thing out. That is, consume the oldest first. In this fridge, you can access each drawer directly, so it enables FIFO operation. LIFO. The last thing that goes in is the first thing that comes out. Which is best with food, FIFO or LIFO management? What type of freezer facilitates FIFO management? How to manage in FIFO mode? These are some last in, first out examples. In the laundry basket, some items may remain in the bottom for a long time. One solution may be to empty the basket every time. When you place items on a shelf, you may be pushing the older items to the back. The solution may be to add the new items from the back. These are some conclusions. Avoid unnecessary purchases. Use a shopping list. Compare prices online. Sales. Real savings in my case. The unnecessary takes the room of the necessary. A place for everything and everything in its place. Easy to find, easy to return to its place, easy to see what is missing and how much. Everything in perfect condition of use.